guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ariane. I try to post easy vegan recipes as often as possible, and today I have a recipe that I'm very excited about for you. Double chocolate hazelnut cookies. It's made without flour, so it is gluten-free if you're intolerant, and it's also made without oil, but I'm sorry about that, that was my dog. As I was saying, the recipe is made without oil, but we make no compromise on taste. It is really good and the texture is almost brownie-like. Before we move to the recipe, I just wanted to ask you, if you like the recipe and the video, please consider leaving a thumbs up and also a comment if you feel like it. It's something that really helps me get my content out there, because otherwise the algorithm isn't really helping us small accounts. And also, if you want to subscribe, this way you will see my new videos when they come out. That would also make me very happy, and croquette as well, right? Yay! Please subscribe! So, without further ado, let's go to the recipe. We'll start by combining our wet ingredients in a large mixing bowl. So, half a cup nut butter. I use almond because that's what I had. Maple syrup, you can use half agave, half maple. Since we're not using eggs, we're using flax seeds, so 1 tablespoon with 3 tablespoons of warm water. And then we'll give it a good whisk before adding the rest of our ingredients. For the dry ingredients, we're going to need 1 packed cup of ground hazelnuts, half a cup cocoa powder. Use organic and fair trade if you can, as well as a little bit of salt, baking powder, and baking soda. And then we combine everything until we get a nice dough that is not too sticky. At that point, we can add 1/3 to half a cup of vegan dark chocolate. I used a chocolate bar that I chopped, so I've got like big pieces, which is delicious, of course. And then cover the bowl and set in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. Now the dough should be easily workable. I like to use an ice cream scoop to portion my cookies. I wet it a little bit just so they don't stick too much. And I got 11, so you should get between 10 and 12. And then just flatten them with a fork or your fingers, it's fine. And they won't spread out when they cook, so don't worry about that. We'll bake them in the oven for 12 to 14 minutes depending on the size, and voila, you've got delicious double chocolate cookies. Enjoy!